Hi, I'm Silva Fox, and today you're not just watching history, you're living it. In this immersive journey, you'll walk the streets of Manchester as it was in 1925, breathe in the pulse of today, and glimpse the unimaginable future all through your own eyes. So buckle up, traveller, time's about to bend. So you've just walked 200 years through the soul of Manchester, from coal smoke and tram bells to AI skylines and memory archives. 3 centuries, one city, and 1,000 stories still untold. If you felt the past, stood still in the present, or caught a glimpse of the future, then you're already part of the timeline. I'm Silva Fox, and this is just the beginning. Hit that like button, subscribe for more time travel journeys, and drop a comment. Which Manchester would you live in?